Most change your life advice fail for one reason. It's either too vague you or too unrealistic to follow. So you watch it, feel motivated, and nothing actually changes. In this video, I am going to give you a simple step-by-step way to actually change your life without overcomplicating it. This is based on how people actually improve in real life, breaking things down, fixing what matters, and repeating it. If you follow this properly, you won't just feel like you are improving, you will be able to see it. So here's the first step. Look back at what's gone wrong. It sounds like a normal advice, but how often we do it properly? Most of the time, when we look back, we are emotional. We either focus only on the good part or only on the bad part. So add one more rule. Look back at your life without judging anything as good or bad. A simple way, do it on paper. Step second, separate things. Not by good or bad, but by what's meaningful to you and what's not. What will position you better, what won't. What you can control and what you can't. Step 3. Now you know what needs to be fixed, so fix it. But remember, adding something means subtracting something else. You only have 24 hours. And if you remove something, replace it. Because if you don't, that empty space will pull the old thing back. To do this properly, you need prioritization. Not everything is equal. Define your must-haves like talking to family, reading, things that should stay daily. Then focus on the most important goal, like an exam or a skill you want to build. Also think in both short term and long term. Step 4. Actually solve the problem. Because once you see them, it becomes very easy to escape into distractions. Not because you want to, but because your brain follows the path of least effort. You have to go against that consciously. There's more to this. I will cover it separately. Step 5. Take feedback. See what went wrong and fix it. Feedback is necessary if you want to improve. If possible, find someone honest, not just someone who keep you comfortable. Some feedback will hurt, some will feel wrong, but that's where growth is. If you keep repeating this process, you will change your life. And this is the simplest way to do it.